Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video I'm gonna show you the 13x6 customized wig, which made of one 13x6 lace frontal and two bundles of 14 inches hair. And look at this is how full the hair is. It is very beautiful and smooth. The hair, look, very smooth and very soft hair, and there's no shedding or tangling as well. Very fluid. The hair is so fluid. So let me show you the structure inside of the caps. This is how it is, and outside, and this is inside. This is our customized wig, which made of 13x6 frontal and bundles, and you can see the lace size is bigger than usual 13x6 lace frontal wig, right? This is full size, 13 inches and 6 inches deep on the side. And this one we pre-plugged the hairline. Also we do bleached on the front line to make it more natural. Look, this is the front line is actually bleached, and with all the proper combs and good well structured. This is inside of the caps. This is the lace size of 13x6 caps, straps, and this is track of the hair bundles. And so this we can do just like the closure wig of 4x4, 5x5. We can also do 13x4 or 13x6 lace frontal wig, and with all the hair quality as well, like no matter it's Remy hair or you want a virgin hair, raw hair, we can all make a wig. The density, quality of the hair, bleach knot, like these things you can do. Customization with us, just leave a message. If you like this hair, please share and like, and also subscribe this channel. And if you would like to place order, you can go to our website www.joycehair.com. and thanks for your time for watching, and have a nice day.